Place sweet potatoes in a large pot and cover with cold water. Place a lid on the pot. Drain the sweet potatoes in a colander. With a potato masher, mash the potatoes until they're smooth. Melt the butter in a skillet over medium-low heat. Immediately remove the butter from the stovetop when it turns a deep brown. Whisk the maple syrup into the brown butter. Pour the maple brown butter into the mashed potatoes. Add the cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves and stir to combine. Evenly scatter chopped pecans over the mashed sweet potatoes and drizzle with the remaining maple brown butter. Serve hot and enjoy!